Welcome to Zerion Documents. To set up a Zerion document action in the data flow, you want to first ensure that you have a document created in Zerion Documents to use. So I have this one here called My Build Your Own Document, and if we open this up, we're going to see that it has a couple different fields here: a name, an address, a city, a state, a zip, as well as a date. And then we want to actually go back to our data flow automation tool, and we first want to choose on the record set. And we do want to make sure that the record set we have has data that's relevant to this document. So again, I have some sample records in here, 5 of them, that give us the name, the address, the city, state, and so on. So what we want to do from here is then choose our sample data and go under Actions. And we want to hit Documents. And we can either choose from a web merge document or a Zerion document. In this scenario, we're going to choose Zerion document. And then first we want to give it a name, so to Zerion Documents. We also want to choose the document that we have, so I'm going to choose the My Build Your Own document. And you see the moment I do that, it actually is going to pull in all the fields that I just outlined earlier: name, date, address, city, state here, as well as it's going to try to define the field map if these names do match. So in this scenario, all my names matched, so I don't have to choose many more of them here. We see our name, date, address, city, state, and zip. Unfortunately, I did not have any data for that, so we're just going to choose no mapping. We do have a couple other settings here that we can do. If you do want to choose like a custom field, maybe you we want to have no mapping, we want to have other, which means maybe we want to always put in the same zip code. So I'll put in the zip code here, 17766. So this, every time the document is created, it's going to have this zip code in it. Then you can also choose the tick box here for store document in S3 folder. This is going to be our internal storage, and we can say, do you want to choose an existing folder or create a new folder? So for this one, let's choose an existing folder I have called example inspections. And then all we have to do here is just save our action, and we'll see that it is set up and ready to go. So now what we want to do to test this is we just want to run some of these records through the documents action and make sure that the documents get generated. So we'll do a quick rerun. And now what we can do is we can then go to the Zerion Documents service, and we want to open up our document data. And for each user, you're going to have your own folder. So the user I'm logged in with is B-Ray, so I'm going to choose that. Then here's the folder that I'm writing to, example inspections. And then here is the one document that was created. If I open this up, we should see that it passed in the name, address, city, state, date, as well as our zip that we had as blank. So that's how you set up a Zerion Documents action. Thanks for watching.